Now coming in straight from Bangladesh. Bangladesh journalist and television host Munni Saha was rescued by the police after she was surrounded by the mob over there. In fact, there were a couple of social media posts claiming that she has been arrested by the cops, but putting more clarity to that, we have received this word that she was heckled before she was picked up by the police by a mob, and then she had to stand there and face humiliation. The locals have said that you have misguided people on Pilkhana incident. There are 52,000 raw agents in Bangladesh and you are one of them. And in fact, locals have been attacking her, put her through humiliation, because of which the cops then arrived at the spot and rescued her. Our editor East Kamalika Sen Gupta is back with us on the broadcast to bring us more clarity on what exactly transpired there. Kamalika, over to you.
Munni Saha is a very renowned journalist of Bangladesh. She's a very renowned journalist of Bangladesh, and she was heading one of the ATN Banga, one of the TV channels also there some years back. So she had to face a humiliation yesterday in Karwa Bazaar of Dhaka. The people surrounded him, mob surrounded her, and she was being tagged. People were saying that she's a raw agent, she is anti-Bangladeshi, she wants to make Bangladesh a part of India, and all sorts of bad things. She faced a lot of humiliation, and then she was picked up by police. Now, this is where the point is. To one section of people are saying the police rescued her. Another section of people, according to UNB, United News of Bangladesh, they have stated that she was released today in the morning. She was handed over to her family on payment of a bond shortly after midnight. That's what UNB is reporting. And they are quoting Rezaul Karim, who is the Additional Commissioner of Dhaka Metropolitan Police. And the Daily Star has also reported the same thing, that she was released under the obscure section of 497 of the CRPC, which means she must appear in court to seek bail and comply with future police summons. That means that there were cases against her. There were already cases against her which they have initiated. That was quite clear. In one side, she is facing cases. On the other side, she is facing huge humiliation there, where the video proves clearly that how the mob, they actually ridiculed her, they belittled her, they used all sorts of bad languages against her, and also she has been marked as a raw agent and all those that she wants to make Bangladesh a part of India and all those things. So definitely this is something which is very much concerning.
Right, Kamalika, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. We'll keep coming back to you to track more updates on that story.